Get out here early, they said. Beat the traffic. Come out here on Saturdays, expect this.
Welcome to Zion National Park, Utah's crown jewel, and a place where the desert, forest, and even bats throw a damn family reunion. Please subscribe.
We love you.
Please buy something. We're pretty broke. Located at the crossroads of the Colorado Plateau, the Great Basin, and the Mojave Desert, Zion is a wild mix of mountains, canyons, slot canyons, natural arches, you name it. If Earth had a greatest hits album, this place would definitely be track one. We're talking about 1,000 plant species, 289 species of birds, 75 mammals, including 19 kinds of bats and 32 reptiles. Basically, if you're not careful, a lizard might photobomb your selfie. The park stretches across 229 square miles. Zion Canyon alone is 15 miles long, with sandstone walls towering up to 2,600 feet high, carved by the Virgin River. Today, over 5 million people a year explore Zion. Whether you're chasing epic hikes, snapping Instagram-worthy shots, or just hoping a bat doesn't fly into your hair, this park is proof that Mother Nature knows how to show off. Please subscribe.
We love you.
Please buy something. We're pretty broke.